How to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Now, the main question is, can you still recover your account that was being deactivated or deleted after 30 days? Now, I'd like to explain to you first for a certain period of time, which is Instagram actually providing us a grace period around 30 days, so you can still think or you can still recover or not continue on deactivating your account. And everybody knows the main resolution for this is to contact customer support. Go into your preferred web browser, type in Instagram support, choose on the first result that will redirect you to Help Center. Tap on the three lines to the top right, manage your account, and then adjust your account settings. Now go into feedback, which is the blue highlighted option, and then choose on neutral and hit on next. The reason why I'm providing you this information right here because you can still recover your Instagram account after a grace period of 30 days. However, Instagram will be the ones to decide on depending on your reason. So again, that's it. That's how you can recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days.